Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
When we talk about experiential learning, it's just everywhere. Every club which is operating, every student who is studying, every person who is actually a part of UBS family is learning every day because they are doing what they want to learn.
Hi everyone, I'm Bhanu. I'm an ex-student of UBS. I pursued my MBA globally from partially INSEC and partially UBS.
Hello everyone, I'm Komal Jain, currently pursuing my PGDM program from Universal Business School. So currently I am in Bulgaria, completing my third semester.
Hello, I'm Revati Ranjan. Currently, I'm an entrepreneur, I'm a social activist and a student.
Hello, my name is Navya Agrawal. I am currently pursuing my PGDM from Universal Business School and MBA from Cardiff Metropolitan University.
We were given clubs. That's the best part about UBS, that you have a club that you represent and you really have to come up with something new every now and then. I was a part of this prestigious club called UIC, and I happened to be the president at the end of the session. So when I came out of UBS, I was very much confident. I did my internship in Sula Vineyards as a business developer, which was again a milestone for my career.
ELC, its Excoloan Private Limited, is a student-led corporation under Universal Business School, and I believe that ELC is a platform which gives the student the first-hand experience of corporate world at the initial stage of their career. There's a saying that one automatically learns swimming once he or she is pushed into the river. So similarly at UBS, we are exposed to experiential learning so that we outperform and establish betterment in the corporate world.
Well, finance is something has always interested me. But it's different when you learn something theoretically and then apply those concepts practically. And UBS has given me that opportunity where I have not only learned all these concepts, but I've applied them. As Navya rightly said that ELC, it's an student-led organization, and so the main focus of ELC that it develops business acumen and also provides real-life business experiences for developing leadership qualities and business skills so that we can generate innovative ideas. And that's what ELC did for me. I was responsible for making financial statements. I did forecasting and all these concepts which I was just learning theoretically. At ELC, I actually applied these.
Since my childhood, I always wanted to have my own business, and entrepreneurship was my dream and my passion. It also is currently now, and my main interest had always been aligned in this direction. When I quit my job last year, I held an experience of being a professional digital marketer, and that is exactly when digital and services was born. And at that moment, I didn't know that pursuing a MBA degree at that such a point would be a good decision for me or not. Because every time you hear people saying that, an MBA degree and a startup cannot go hand in hand, it's an impossible task. And then I decided to take a leap of faith, and I was like, let's do it. And I was like, I was not going back on my startup. That's like my baby. And then when I found UBS, I was like, okay, this is all I wanted. And then when I took a leap of faith, I was so happy because firstly, I got a dual degree. So at a time, in 2 years tenure, I am getting a dual degree, which would be my MBA and PGDM, both from prestigious universities. But at the same time, the most important factor is that the entire focus of UBS is on experiential learning, as well as it is endorsed with 60 CEOs. The best thing is that UBS supported me during the journey, because I never had to think that, while you're doing a MBA, while you're doing academic things, you will have to put a halt to your professional career. And that is why I would say that UBS has been like literally a heaven for me.
It was quite frightening that whether will be all the promises that UBS made will be fulfilled or not. But to our surprise, we got a lot of opportunities. So when Navya mentions about teams, it's not just the team from our departments. We work in cross-functional teams. We were preparing for one of our events where we had to prepare storytelling team, which is not just like a part of, not the only creative people were there, but students from all the departments from our corporations were part of that, where we did. So that's how UPS prepares us. Instead of looking at all the drawbacks of this online mode, we did go and look for the advantages that can be taken.
To be very honest, I have been working as a social activist since a few years now, and I was quite worried when I thought of pursuing an MBA degree, because I thought that I always I already have a professional life, and then I have a student life, and then being a social activist would not coincide with it properly, because then you cannot work, you cannot take out time. But then I became a part of Rotaract Club of Universal Business School. Fitting it all together was a challenge at first. I cannot deny that, because then there is multiple role playing, and you cannot just do all the things at the same time. But at this same time, when I started my journey at UBS, I learned something which is actually a boon, that's time management.
I had some hospitality work experience there. I was partially doing digital marketing for the PVR, the company I was working for. So yeah, that was the first stage of me getting inclined towards digital marketing. It has always, the day I've started using Google, I was always, wanting to learn more about it. My passion from sales, it went to marketing, because it required a lot of innovation, required rigorous thinking and a lot of brainstorming, and which is I'm more inclined towards, and really like thinking a lot about how to create something new, and which attract people and make a difference. So these were the motivation that I've got, and then I've decided with UPS, Professor Vijay Tandon, he really motivated us, and he showed us like the other side of marketing. It was no longer that you have to carry a bag, go to the places, shops, and sell your product. It was nothing like that. The time has changed. Everything is getting digital. Everything is getting on social media.
So different roles comes with different challenges, and UBS has thrown a lot of opportunities towards me. From the very start, I was handling, Professor Vijay Tandon has given me a lot of opportunities where I've been handling many different leadership roles. I was the one who was made the manager for the competitive activities, where I was handling the GBSN network conferences, where I managed to all the schedules, prepare different kind of reports, which I never thought I would be doing. Writing the minutes of the meeting, preparing the financial reports, the financial statements. These are all things which we think is a very normal task that can be done. It's very easy when you go through it. But when you actually prepare them, you actually get to know that preparing all these aspects, MOM, they are not as easy. You need to put a lot of thought process into it. So yes, UBS did give me a lot many opportunities. I did handle a lot many roles. Currently, I'm leading my finance team, which has built in confidence into me.
UBS follows the 3E model, and the 3E model has ethics, experiential learning, and environment. And right now, while we are listening to all my colleagues, I realize this fact that the prime focus is always learning while doing. We never have been going crazy about learning theories, because we do learn theories, but it's also very important to actually implement them and do them on a practical basis to understand the real challenges of doing a particular task. And when we talk about experiential learning, it's just everywhere. Every club which is operating, every student who is studying, every person who is actually a part of UBS family is learning every day, because they are doing what they want to learn. Like for me, the major learning at UBS was that when you actually start working towards what you believe, and when you start working towards the things which you are studying, and you realize that it is important, you get to a place where you meet like-minded people, and all these people believe in the better of the society and your professional life as well. And UBS family exactly gave all of us that, because right now everyone sitting here, we all know each other through UBS, but we are a family who motivate each other, we inspire each other, we support each other, and at the same time we make sure that everyone stands strong professionally and also on the personal note. So I think that it's a privilege to be a part of UBS family.